2024 Olympics campaign begins on Thursday with Deepika Kumari and the squad taking aim in the archery ranking rounds at Lee in Bolli. For the first time since London 2012, India has fielded 6 archers at the Olympics, challenging in all 5 medal events, which are men's team and individual, women's team and individual, and mixed team. Now, today's ranking round will be critical to India's archers' medal ambitions at the Paris Olympics. And India correspondent Narayan Singh joins us from Paris to give more inputs on the Paris Olympics. A very good morning to you from India, Narayan. If we talk about the Paris Olympics, how prepared is the Indian contingent for the Paris Games and what can we expect from Indian archers today? Narayan.
A strong 117-member contingent is ready to shine at the Paris Olympics. The day will start with the archery events, and it is actually one day before the opening ceremony, and it is individual ranking rounds where the 3 individual men's archers and 3 individual women archers will participate, and there are the strong, we can say, the expectations from these archers, considering the fact that it's a mix of the youth and experience. We had experienced archers like Deepika, who has participated in the 3 previous Olympics. So all in all, she can share her experience with the new archers also. And apart from Deepika, Ankita Bhagat is there. So she can also do a miracle here for the Indian. And we know that Indian archers has done exceptionally well in the international event. But at the stage of Olympics, they had to excel, and we are hoping that this time around they can do exceptionally well. And when today the ranking rounds will start, we can say that it will be a start of new era for the Indian archers, especially in the Olympics. And apart from that, when the other events will start, especially the track and field, which is the largest squad for in the Indian contingent, we have big hopes from Neeraj Chopra, who can defend his Olympic gold medal. And also, Kishore Jena is in exceptional form. So there is a 1-2 finish we can see here in the same way as they did in the Asian Games. And if we talk about the shooting, shooting is the 2nd largest squad in this 107-member contingent. And we are hoping that if our shooters do well here at the Paris Olympics, definitely they can touch the double-digit figure here. We have many talented shooters like Manu Bhakar, Sif Kaur Samra, Asha Singh, and in men's category also we have exceptional shooters. So we are hoping that if shooting is doing well here, then definitely it's a double-digit figure for India at the Paris Games.
All right, a lot to expect from Team India at the upcoming Paris Olympics. Thank you so much, Narayan, for joining us. Now, India's Minister of State for Youth Affairs and Sports, Raksha Khatse, praised the hard work of Indian athletes who are participating in the Paris Olympics. Take a listen.
में ओलंपिक्स गेम शुरू होने वाला है और इस बार हमारे देश के सभी खिलाड़ियों ने काफ़ी अच्छी मेहनत की और भारत सरकार ने भी पूरा प्रयास किया है कि हमारे देश के खिलाड़ियों के लिए वर्ल्ड क्लास फैसिलिटी हम उपलब्ध करवाएं और मुझे पूरा विश्वास है कि हमारे देश के खिलाड़ी इस बार अच्छा प्रदर्शन हमारे देश के लिए करेंगे और अच्छे मेडल्स हमारे देश के लिए लाएंगे। तो चलिए आइए हम इन सब बच्चों को पूरा समर्थन दें। लेट्स चीयर फॉर भारत।